Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my first season with the Crown Royal stove 7300 troubleshooting. What I'm talking about, there is the handle that helps fight with creosote. This is the handle and it's broke. It's not technically broke, it's just detached for some reason. I wasn't hard with this handle, I was gentle actually. And the problem is there. Look at this stuff. Here you go, you see? Boom, somehow it just fell off. I just need bolt with nut, and I think this would be all. That would be the fix. Hopefully, of course. The problem is, in order to reach the handle, to reach this bolt, you gotta open it. You see, here is the metal sheet, here is the little piece. Of course, if it's super cold outside, it's not kind to work. Also, you gotta make sure, just follow the instructions and just unplug the stove. If you depend on this stove just like me, because I'm growing in the greenhouse at winter, so I'm dependent on it. I have to do it quick, and since it's my first trouble with this stove, I didn't know if actually it's easy to fix. Looks like it's easy to fix. Wait for updates. Thank you. Looks super solid, just like spaceship. I used glue because I don't have other tools. Hopefully that would work. If not, I will have to take apart all this side again. Yeah, it is work. One sec. Look. Boom. Oh, it's not. Looks like it's working. At least now I know it's not the end of the world. Okay, okay. A success, ladies and gentlemen. Only one thing I don't like about the bolts that I used. Now I cannot move these things, I don't know, the parts manually. You see, just because bolt hold it so tight, I cannot do it myself. Because for a couple of days I was cleaning it myself. Just open the door and do the handles job manually. Now I cannot do it, but I don't really care anyways. If the handle broke again, I have to take it apart again and I will be able to move it. And of course, for next time when I do seasonal maintenance, I'll probably just change the bolt. For now, as long as it works, I'm happy about it. So far, works great. Gives us much more than we needed. I mean, heat wise. Only thing, if you use a couple of heaters with blowers for the greenhouse, you're gonna need to load the chamber 3 times a day. Twice, not enough. Probably if you use as much heat as we have to, you might consider upgrade to 7400. Not upgrade, buy right away, because once you buy it, that's it. Don't try to upgrade it, it's gonna be pain. So far so good. That was easy fix, even though my I'm not a handyman. I just thinking logically, like, oh, okay, probably it's not a big deal. Subscribe for updates. Project complete. I even got few extra parts. Lucky me. Okay, never mind. As long as it work, and it is work indeed, I'm happy.